Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to use service position. To use this function, first way is going to work, beam gas and find service position button. If you press this button, the message "Are you sure you want to move the head to the service position?" will be shown. Click Yes to move. Another way is click Service button on MCP panel to work same as first. To change position that head moves, you must know how to set. Positioning head that easy to check nozzle or beam center. Click Function in Work and click Set next to Service Pass in NC Functions On-Off menu. In the screen, you can see Input Position button. Click button after move head to position that easy to check nozzle or beam center. Thank you.